Welcome to Use Tools. Let's see if we can figure out how to remove a toilet. Well, the first thing I want to do is turn the water off to the toilet so we can drain this thing. And this valve's probably in some hidden corner behind your toilet somewhere. Just make sure that's closed right up tight. Next we want to drain this, so give it a good flush. That's going to get rid of all the water that's up here in the tank, so we'll just confirm that. Yeah, it's all gone. But we still got water left over in the bowl, so we got to scoop that out, unfortunately. Take a disposable cup and start scooping. Scoop that into a bucket or the sink, whatever happens to be handy. Get a smaller cup there once you get down to the bottom. Next you gotta locate the bolts for the toilet that are holding down to the floor. And the bolts are usually covered by these little caps here, so you just gotta pop those off. Be careful when you're doing this not to chip the porcelain. So I'm just gently gonna ease this cap up. Just like that. So put that aside and save it. Then we can go ahead and take these bolts off. Next we have to disconnect the water for the toilet, and that's just underneath the bowl on one of the sides. The hose that your water line comes from hooks up there. Just take that off like that. Gonna be a little bit of water that comes out. I'm replacing the flooring here, so I don't really care if it dribbles. As everything's disconnected, I can go ahead and lift the toilet out of here. I took the tank cover off already just so it doesn't fall off. It's also a bit lighter that way, so basically have to lift this straight up off the bolts and then out. And it's nice to put a piece of plastic or a piece of cardboard down underneath the toilet when you're lifting out, because number one, there's going to be a little bit of dirty water under there, and number two, there's going to be residue from the wax gasket, so we don't want that on the floor. The balance point is usually right here, but just at the back of the lid. There we go. Straight up and out. Pretty easy. So there you have it. Removing a toilet's pretty easy, just a few simple steps. Check out one of my other videos to show you how to put the toilet back in. Cheers.